Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and my name is Rafi Yakub. And in today's video guys, I'm going to expose to you guys top 3 websites to get free unlimited icon download for free in PSD file, SVG, ILS, and IS, PNG, etc. different file format. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, and you're going to be fine. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see the top 3 websites to download unlimited icon for free. So the very first one I have for you guys right here is Iconscort.com. So this particular website over a great thousands of millions of icons that you can download for free. When you launch into the site, you can easily scroll down, and right here you have to navigate to this page here, click on all assets. So when you click on all assets, specify on what you are interested. I'm selecting icons. So you select on icons, you can search by using the search bar or by using the trending keyword. So I'm going to click on phones icons. So that is, you get to see the variety of phone icons that have been trending on this particular website, if that is what you're interested. But if that is not what you are intended, you can make use of search bar and search for the type of icon you are looking for as far as the Iconscort.com is concerned. Alright guys, so one thing about this Icoscore.com is that you can search by category. At the top right here, you can see business icon, course icon, chat icon, cloudness icon, communication icon, computer icon, device icon. You can click on here and see more icon under the icon section. And then one thing you can as well do is that you can scroll down and see more icon preview as far as this site is concerned. So you can click on here and check on few pack icon. Okay. And right here, if you are interested in only, you can search by filter. All you have to do, if you are interested in only free icons, click on free. So they are going to refine and present you the result of only free icon that you can download in free file form, in different free file format. Okay. So right here, you can see these are just the free icons that you can download for free. You can check on more by clicking on the few parts right here. You will be fine as far as this particular website is concerned. So you can make use of search bar and type in another keywords of the icon you are looking for, maybe food, furniture, etc. You are going to be fine. So the second one I have for you guys right here is what we call Iconstate.com. This particular website work is similar with the previous one I just showed you guys right here. So when you launch into the site, all you have to do is to make sure you come here, click on this section here. You can choose icon, you can search photo, etc. You can type in whatever you are looking for. As far as this is concerned, you can type in location. Let's say I'm interested in location icon, and just click on search bar here. You are going to see the result of different location icon that you can download for free in terms of different file format as far as this Iconstate.com is concerned. So right here you can see a lot of results as far as location icon is concerned. So this is a great thing about this particular website, Iconstate.com. Okay, and right here you can search by categories such as animals icon, alphabet icon, baby icon, beauty icon, cinema icon, city icon, clothes icon, crime icon, etc. as far as this Iconstate.com is concerned. So the very last one I have for you guys right here is 365psd.com. This particular website also offers a great thousands of free PSD file in such as icons, PSD file, pictures, etc. When you launch into the site, you have to navigate to free vectors right here. So when you get to free vector, come to icons and infographics. So you click on icon and infographics, you'll be taken to whereby you'll see thousands of free PSD file icons that you can download. So right side here, you can see more options of the free vectors file that you can search all through. Okay. So right here, you can scroll down, and from the options here, you can easily see there are icons that was embedded in the pages of this what is displayed right here. You can see EPS, Adobe Illustrator, and these are set of icon, SVG, and all these things are different file formats. So let's, for instance, I'm interested in this 80 minima icon. So if you click on the link, it's loading in a new page. So when it's loading any page, then you can from there and download the file. So you can see this one right here is 80 minimal icons PSD file plus icon font vector at download. So this is just to tell you that this is a PSD file download. So it's just 6.1 MB. So want to download the icon, just click on download. Then you're going to prepare your download folder without wasting time. So right here you can see the download folder. So I'm going to click on download file. So PSD icons. So right here you can see the file has been started to download in the zip folder. From there I can unzip and start to make use of the icon in PSD or EPS or PNG or whatever you. So guys, this is how you these are the top 3 websites I have for you guys as far as free icons download is concerned. I hope you find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel for more free online resources like this, kindly click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload free content about online resource, you get notified and you watch the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.